Step 1. Mounting. Mount the base into your surface using the appropriate hardware, not included. Step 2A. Rotation. For rotation stop adjustment, the rotation stop screws can be moved to any of the holes in the outer ring of the base. Step 2B. No rotation. To prevent rotation, place the rotation stop rib over the top of a rotation stop screw. Step 3A. Rotation stop position. When placing the top of the mount onto the base, ensure the rotation stop rib falls in between the rotation stops that were set in place in Step 2. Step 3B. Releasing mount. Locate the release tab inside the mount. Using a flathead screwdriver or similar tool, pull back on the tab. With the tab pulled back, lift up on the upper portion of the mount to release. Step 4A and 4B. Remove the two screws in the mount. Next, take the M400-MX915 or MX925 adapter plate and screw into the mount using the screws that were removed. Tighten with the provided T25L key. Step 5A and 5B. Place the Verifone M400 MX915 or MX925 device onto the adapter plate. You will need to align all three holes on the back of the device with the adapter screws. Slide the device down to secure into the adapter plate. Step 6. Using the provided T6L key, turn clockwise to tighten the screws connecting the Verifone device to the adapter plate. Turn counterclockwise to loosen. Step 7. Adjustment feature, optional. To adjust the tilt friction, remove the hex nut covers and tighten or loosen the 13mm hex nut, outer, while securing the pivot screw on the inside of the mount with a 14mm wrench. Adjust both sides as needed.